Did you know Badgr's interoperable platform lets you store all your open badges in one place? In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to upload a non-Badgr open badge to your Badgr Backpack. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do to upload a badge to your backpack is download the badge to your computer. It's likely you received notification of your awarded badge by email. Locate and open that email and click the download button. If your badge opens in a web browser, right-click the image and select Save As to save the image to your computer. If your badge automatically downloads, check the Downloads folder on your computer. Please note that you should retain the file format when saving your badge. Open badges only use PNG or SVG file types because these are the types that contain the badge's metadata. Other file types, such as JPEG or PDF, can't be uploaded to a Badgr Backpack. Now that you've saved your badge to your computer, it's time for step 2, uploading the badge to your Badgr Backpack. Navigate to your Badgr account. Click on Backpack to open your Badgr Backpack. Then click the Add Badge button. Now you have 3 options for uploading the badge award to your backpack. The first option, and the easiest option, is with the badge image. Use the drag and drop feature or the file picker to select the badge to upload the saved copy of your badge image. Then click Add Badge. The second option is copying and pasting the badge URL. Just so you know, a URL or web address is baked into a badge image so that a badge can be verified by various services, for example, a badge backpack. Sometimes, a badge doesn't have an image associated with it, or it is otherwise not downloaded. In this case, it can be added to a backpack by inputting the badge's URL. Paste the URL into the badge web address field, then click Add Badge. The third option is using the badge's JSON. When viewing your badge, there may be a View JSON button. You can select it, then select Copy to Clipboard. Then, click the Advanced option under the Add Badge menu. Paste the badge's JSON into the dialog box, then click Add Badge. Once uploaded, your badge will appear under the Backpack menu. You can then click the badge to view badge details. There you have it. In just a few steps, you can upload any open badge to your Badgr Backpack. Want to learn more about how Badgr Pro can help your organization recognize and reward your learners with secure, portable, and shareable digital credentials? Contact us at info.badgr.com to get started. Thanks for watching.